This is Plato explained in 100 seconds. Plato was an ancient Greek philosopher born around 427 BC in Athens. He was a student of Socrates and the teacher of Aristotle. Yes, he's the middle guy in history's most famous philosophy trio. Plato believed the world we see isn't the real world. It's just a shadow of a deeper, unchanging reality. He called this the world of forms. In it, everything has a perfect, eternal version, the perfect circle, the perfect tree, the perfect idea of justice. Everything here in our physical world is just an imperfect copy. One of his most famous stories is the Allegory of the cave. Imagine people chained in a cave, only able to see shadows on the wall. They think the shadows are all there is, but if they broke free, they'd see the real world outside. For Plato, most of us live in that cave, and philosophy is the way out. Plato founded the Academy in Athens, basically the first university in Western history. He wrote dialogues instead of boring essays, with Socrates as the main character asking endless questions. These conversations tackled politics, love, ethics, and the nature of reality. In politics, Plato thought the best rulers would be philosopher-kings, leaders who love wisdom and truth more than power or wealth. He wasn't a big fan of democracy, especially after Athens voted to execute Socrates. Plato's ideas have shaped philosophy, science, education, and even pop culture for over 2,000 years. Every time you ask, what's really real, or what's the good life, you're echoing Plato. So in short, Plato gave us the world of forms, the cave, the academy, and the dream of wise rulers. He wanted us to think deeper, question more, and look beyond the shadows. That's Plato, explained in 100 seconds. To support the channel, like and subscribe, and watch our other Explained in 100 Seconds videos.